Good morning and Happy New Year if you are watching this on the first day of the year, of course. This is Unboxo and I am trying to review and to use this Parkside palm sander, which I got at my local Lidl for around 27, 29, I don't recall, euros. And today I'm gonna use it with the 4 ampere hours battery in order to get rid of some of the fuzziness on this birch board, which I'm gonna install on the outside. So yesterday I treated the board with a little bit of chemicals, with a little bit of resin, so this is a little bit more waterproof. And today I'm just gonna prep it in order to paint it white. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this beautiful Parkside tool in order to see if it's up too much, if it gives up on me, if it's too heavy, if it's too wobbly. Well, let's give it a try, okay? Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, you have to mind I have been using this for already 5 to 6 minutes, okay? I did another review in my home language and I have to see, this is not getting hot. It's very cool, very cold to the touch. It's not overheating at all and it feels very nicely working. It's not giving up on me, it's not slowing down, it's not too powerful, too wobbly, it's very stable, and I believe the 4 ampere hours battery, which is a little heavier, gives it the right amount of push. Now I am gonna try to use it for another minute or so, and I am gonna push it double hand, so I will see if anything changes. Right now it's doing a very good job, okay? The part is getting very, well, it's nicely shaven. Let's say that this part is getting to the level I want in order to prep it for paint. Yeah, it's missing some spots. So let's try to be heavier with 2 hands. Okay guys, look, this is working properly. With the two hands, you can push a little more, but you know, I don't think it's even necessary. I am using 180 grit from Bosch, so it's a very high quality paper, as you can see. But you can use really any paper, and for little jobs like this, for hobbies, this is a perfect tool. I am loving it. I paid it only 27 to 29 euros. It's light but heavy at the same time. It helps you out with the job. If you use it with the 4 amp battery, it's the perfect configuration. I have nothing bad to say about this tool. It's very cool to the touch, not getting hot at all. It's not showing any defects, at least for the moment. So guys, if you wanna buy this, go at your local Lidl. I hope you still find it. It's nice, even though it's a first series. So always mind, when you buy something which just came out of the factory, it may have problems in the long run, even in the short run. But guys, I mean, come on, 27 to 29 euros. It's the perfect item, okay? So, Unboxo says goodbye for today. Please subscribe, like the video if you liked it. Otherwise, come back tomorrow. There's gonna be something new, something nice.